Welcome back to another one of Writer Analytical Solutions' YouTube videos. Wishing you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year over the festive season. So today, we will be discussing is we will be talking about benefits of Microsoft Copilot for data analysts and data analysis. And we're going to talk about enhancing efficiency and accuracy within your analysis and working towards automation and greater productivity within the workplace. Uh, so in the rapidly evolving world of data, analysis, staying ahead of the curve is crucial. Microsoft Copilot, an intelligent assistant tool, offers data analysts a powerful ally in their quest for accuracy, efficiency, and insight. This script explores the multitude of benefits that Microsoft Copilot brings to the data analysis landscape. So basically what I'm doing here, we're going to go through a little presentation. So I'm going to go through an overview as to sort of what it is, which we've sort of just touched on there. Benefits for data analysts here, efficiency, accuracy, collaboration, and transforming your workflow and working towards automating your workflow so you can produce more work in a day than what you could previously. And basically, this is what AI fundamentally allows us to do is it allows us to produce more in a workday. If you want to improve your output in the business that you're working in or the company that you're working for, you've got to use AI. And then you can sort of start producing 5 times, 10 times what you could previously for that business in a day if you were just using, say, Excel. So using tools like Power BI, Copilot, OpenAI, Gemini, ChatGPT, all that sort of stuff. OpenAI products like ChatGPT is really good because you can form those solutions, find the formulas and the functions that you need, write the code and move forwards. So in Power BI, that's DAX. In Excel, that is just all your general kind of formulas and functions, whether that's financial or statistical or mathematical, depending on what you're doing. You can sort of solve problems much faster, writing much more complicated functions that achieve business goals in a much shorter time frame. So we're just going to go through this now. So Copilot offers AI-powered assistance. Basically, it utilizes machine learning to help programmers write code more efficiently and effectively. So if you're a coder or a programmer using Python, or you're using Power BI, data analytics, data analyst expressions, using Copilot is a good tool to sort of work out what to do there. And that sort of then comes into code automation and auto completion. And if we look at the data analyst process of extracting the data, cleaning the data, and then transforming and analyzing the data through to visualizing the data, a lot of this process can be automated through using Microsoft Copilot. So one of the most time-consuming tasks for data analysts is the cleaning. And Copilot excelled at automating this process. So if you extract a dirty data set in Excel, you can use Copilot down the side to clean that data set, rectify inconsistencies, missing values, and errors with high precision. And that not only sort of saves time, it also ensures data is ready for analysis with minimal manual intervention. So you're really eliminating those manual tasks there in the data cleaning phase. Data transformation and integration. So Copilot simplifies the process of transforming and integrating data from various sources. Its ability to seamlessly merge data sets, perform complex transformations, and ensure data consistency allows analysis or analysts to focus on extracting insights rather than wrestling with data formatting issues, which can often happen in Excel, especially when you're sort of going through and you're going, oh, what format do I need to have this in? Number, text, accounting, whatever it is. And then you get some intellectual data insights by using Microsoft Copilot as well. And that's the machine learning techniques to provide that. And then you get trends and spotting of anomalies, and uh, basically it just helps data analysts uncover kind of hidden gems in the data as well that you may not have picked up if you were just working through an analysis by yourself or the standard process by yourself. So what we're going to do next is we're just going to sort of go through how it works. Yep. So we sort of talked about that, improving speed and accuracy, context awareness, learning models. So, it's all linked up to AI. This is what this is. It's a form of AI. If I want to give you guys an example here, I'm just going to give you a quick example so that you can sort of see how it works. So what I've done here is I've clicked the Copilot button on the screen. This is the Hyrox data set from one of my previous videos. And what I've done is I've said what age group had the lowest total time on average. Okay, so the total time is like the finish time in this data set. Um, and then it came down here as the age group MHE, whatever that is, had the lowest average time. And I didn't have to, do anything there. I just asked, and otherwise I would have had to go insert pivot table and go through the age categories, sort of like so. If I was doing that manually, I would have to come in here, um, and I would have to go new worksheet, and then here I'd have to go down to, okay, what was the total time, and then I'd have to go and work out age group from there. We're a bit slow there. There we go. Yeah, total time. Um, Needs to go into values. So you can see it takes a bit of time to actually put out the pivot time, and then I've got to go pivot table, and I've got to build it all out, and it just takes a bit of time to get through it. So if I go age group here, I go, and the total time's a bit funky too because I've gone, oh, okay, well, this is all in sort of like what kind of time here. It's not in actual, yes, it's custom. So it's not in a very good format there. So it's kind of good because you can just add this to a new sheet and it'll just bring the pivot table across and you can just have a look straight away. So it's just inserting content there while waiting for that. I'm going to go to a bit more on how it works. So yeah, real-time suggestions, speed and accuracy, benefits of Copilot for analysts, the automation of repetitive tasks, improved accuracy, enhanced collaboration. So team members can more easily collaborate on data analysis, facilitating better teamwork and communication. So even if somebody doesn't have the technical data analyst skills, they can still ask the questions and the analyst can put that into Copilot and show that team member, whether it's a business development manager or someone in the executive team, what is sort of happening there with the insights, and they can sort of ask questions within the data set, and the analyst can further explore that and build more efficiency within their findings as far as the insights go. Um, so improved data visualization is another one because you're going to have better visuals if you've asked the right questions and you've covered all the bases and everyone else has had a little bit more input and collaboration within the process. And then you've got improved accuracy, as we touched on before, reducing human error. So you're not having to go in and do all that manual cleaning in Excel as you would normally have to do. Okay, and let's just see if this worked. Did we get the sheet in the end? I don't know, it's a bit slow today, my computer, that's okay. But yeah, like if I have to do this myself, then yeah, I have to do age groups here. I mean, I have to go my age groups here, and then I have to redesign the pivot table, and this just all takes time. Like it's not really something that you want to sort of do. So as Copilot gets better, you don't have to go through this sort of thing. So then I've got all this here. So I've got my total time. Okay. Now I just want like the average total time. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to go average total time. There we go. Cool. So yeah, I can now find the answer that I'm looking for here. So that's that MHE3 by just looking at whatever the lowest value is here within this data set. So then I would just go here and I would go to sort. So from here, I would have to go to, let's just see more sort options. And then I would go ascending or descending. Okay. And then that's the value here. Manually working this out via a pivot table versus, what's over here, bottom age group by total time, which is the age group with the lowest total time on average in a high rock division. Okay, so that's how you work it out manually. But you're getting to that answer much quicker here. Even though my spreadsheet's a little bit slow today, you sort of get the general gist there. Got a bit of lag. All right, so we're going to go back to the presentation now. Just quickly, I'm just going to tie things off. So SQL queries is another thing that you can use Copilot for. So you can streamline the data retrieval from databases, which allows quicker manipulation of data and quicker insights. And then you can also use Copilot for code generation. Some data analysts already use Gemini and ChatGPT for this, but just using Copilot's features just allows this to work faster in Excel. Data visualization, visualizations are a lot more effortless because they're more accessible and understandable because you're just using AI to go over your work, which once again improves that accuracy of your work. And then you've got your AI assistants in SQL, as we touched on, more time efficient. And obviously, when you're writing code, it's going to be a lot more accurate than what it would be otherwise. So time-saving benefits, this is the big thing, and accuracy and efficiency. So if you want to take your data analytics ability to the next level, implementing this is the way to go about it. Just to wrap off here for today, big thing is efficiency and data analysis, accuracy enhancement, and collaboration boost. So, being able to work with your team members on your data analytics project and insights to get their perspectives, you can do that with Copilot. Your accuracy in the cleaning phase is better, and then the efficiency, because you're able to check over your work with AI and produce more, is better as well. So that's the sort of the crux of the benefits of Copilot. If you're looking into getting into more predictive analysis in the forms of machine learning or data science, Copilot integrates predictive analytics, allowing data analysts to forecast future trends and outcomes based on historical data. So getting all that historical data for businesses and then being able to forecast what's going to happen in the future is quite powerful there. And a lot of businesses are willing to pay for those predictive analytics abilities. So, by leveraging AI to assist you with that, you definitely provide yourself with a competitive advantage moving into the 2025 marketplace as an analyst. Hope you enjoyed this today, guys, and take care. And I'll